Only one person can handle this?
I would suggest one person, but I don't know.
Okay.
I am.
Why is
I'm
bouncing?
not gonna be.
Oh no, it's possessed. Why is like a shaky? Okay. Okay, dancing time! Dancing time! Yeah, I know.
大家好，我是平平 Priscilla。今天很难得跟我的3个墨西哥朋友一起聚餐，然后他们要教我怎么做墨西哥的传统料理，那就是 Tamale 墨西哥粽子。这不仅是一次很好的文化交流，还是一个非常惊艳的美食体验。
Victoria, enjoy your coffee. So where are you from Mexico?
I am from Torreón, Coahuila.
Okay, don't know where it is.
The north. The state is bordered with Texas, but I'm in the south of the state. It's a big state, kind of like Minnesota. It's a big state.
Okay, how about Yasnia? You still eating?
I'm from the state of Jalisco, and I am close to the state of Zacatecas.
Are you two locations close to each other?
No.
No, the Zacatecas? Okay.
Yeah, Zacatecas.
Like driving like 5 hours maybe.
Wow, that's far. Who's more south?
I am.
You are? Okay. So do you miss home?
Not really.
Okay, so it's a good life here?
Yeah, this is new home.
Okay, that's good.
There is a.
It's same. It's just
So yeah, you visited Japan before, so that's why. Okay. What's this?
lard,
Oh, lard. And what is the white thing?
cornmeal, corn flour, whatever you want to call.
That's a really different of the one for the tortillas.
So what are you going to do now? Do you need to wait?
No,
That is-
not really. No,
Okay.
we're gonna put the masa and
Into-
the corn husk
Okay.
and spread it.
Okay.
But we
Give it
gotta
a spoon,
we
or what
gotta
do you mean?
wait until see the
Change
corn
color.
husk is dry and whiter right there.
Yeah.
And then we gotta wait until they turn more like yellow, clear. kind
And
of color.
usually you soak for how long?
Well, we're using hot water, so hot water helps to
Yeah, to-
get them softer quicker, because otherwise it will be just like dry leaf and then it cracks. We don't want that corn husk crack. Or
So why
get
don't you
break.
add more water?
Yeah, I think so. We can add a little bit more water, or just keep moving them like
Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
Should I put more cold water? I think.
Yeah, then you can cover more, then it may be faster. And this is the first time you made those?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I always bought them in Mexico.
Is it? I thought if it's authentic food, people will
But in
learn.
Mexico, it is authentic.
Then
Yeah.
you always buy them instead of, probably like our mooncake. Because mooncake process is complicated. We don't make those. Okay, today is my great honor to witness the real Mexican food. And then, what's the name of this dish?
Tamales.
Okay, tamales?
Yeah, tamales.
Is it common daily food for Mexican people?
No, it's not daily food. It's just like a holiday.
It's more seasonal.
Seasonal?
For the winter,
Okay.
right? For the posadas.
Okay.
Christmas.
Oh, so for special holiday gathering, people will make those?
Yeah.
Okay. So now Costco sell them too, right?
Yeah, but you'll find out
Okay.
what's the best.
Okay.
A mí también como que like.
No, I think it's good because then they can be too salty. You better to add.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. Is that done?
Yeah?
Is that done?
Yeah, you just have to put the, and then you put the
What is that? Oh, powdered sugar?
powdered sugar.
So it looks pretty?
You're supposed to put some lemon and then you serve it with syrup.
So basically, this is
It's
only
egg.
eggs
Eggs,
and a little flour.
flour,
Yeah.
and milk.
Milk? Okay. Wow.
I want you to try the masa.
A ver, how
It looks good.
Just for the salt and.
Come on. Oh, wait.
you're gonna get the masa and you're gonna spread it. So we're gonna start over with the new one.
But
So
beautiful.
you gotta find the way one side
That's
is
outside,
more,
right?
outside is more rough.
Yeah.
Inside is smooth and outside. So we're gonna make sure we put the cornmeal or the masa inside side.
Yeah.
That way, when you going to eat it and unwrap them, it come out easily. Otherwise, it's gonna stick in the lines right here.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So
how thick you do the masa?
more thinner, and then I'm gonna show you another techniques maybe you can use. You can use a plate. People can do this too.
Yeah.
So that way you hold it and you just press it like this. Some people like to do
Pretty
this.
thin layer, I think.
I get used to like just do it by hand. But it don't work for me, but maybe work for you. I don't know.
For the one who's not good, maybe it's good. But otherwise, when you use your hand, you can move around much better, right?
Yeah.
And then adjust the thickness.
Yeah. This one is the hard part.
Yeah.
And then just
Or more tedious part, I guess. So
we'll just play some music.
Sure.
And then
Mexican. So usually you don't put the filling in first. You just
that's
kind
what I
of.
was going to wonder.
you can have a people do the feeling and another people doing that.
Yeah.
It depends how much help you have.
Do you want to show one of the filling ones so we know what to do
So
completely?
later on, so she have everything ready.
And what is this?
This is chicken with green salsa.
Okay.
So you do that,
Just
and
that.
you fold it like that, and then fold it. And then if you use some point,
I missed it. Okay.
and then if you some point you make more like a juicy salsa or more salsa in there, you gotta make sure you put it like that.
Yeah.
When you go into steam, you're gonna put it inside.
Oh, this one is huge, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So you're going to make a double.
Double.
Twins.
So you're gonna do that. So you put that kind of in the edge. You fold it one time right there. You put the other one right here, and it's not gonna be raw. It's not gonna make any difference. If those are small and this one is big, it's gonna stay.
Oh, so you just fold it like this.
So fold it, both of them have the food inside.
Okay.
And then do that and then fold
Okay.
it and then inside.
Oh,
So it's like two
Cute.
in one.
Okay.
So and it's gonna steam. It's not gonna be raw because it's bigger.
Yeah.
Inside. So.
No, and besides the meat is already cooked. I mean, the chicken is cooked, the pork is cooked. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
we're not putting anything raw inside.
Yeah. Only this, right? So it's okay. Yeah. So it's already kind of. If you eat raw, you eat this cornmeal raw.
No, it's not because they and the way how they do the cornmeal, it's already cooked. So at this point, pretty much
Everything is cooked.
It's
This is also cooked, no?
and the way this one is pre-cooked.
Pre-cooked already?
Pre-cooked.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And the way how they process the corn or corn is pre-cooked already.
Okay. So I'm wondering, like, if it's such a huge one, why don't you tear and then make it into two?
Because we like the hard life.
You like the big one, the twin one? Okay.
mean,
So
we
it's personal preference. You can do
It's
either way.
personal, but if you want for selling and you want pretty much everything same size,
Okay.
and I think people actually do that.
Okay.
But since they're from home and not somebody like to have a big tamales,
Yeah.
they have two.
I see.
So,
Okay.
and for me, it's like normal to do this big corn husk.
Okay.
I'm
And then
used
the bonus will be each side of filling.
Yeah.
It should be different.
Yeah.
So
you
make
can-
it
you
more,
can do that too.
make it more two flavor instead
you-
of the same.
You can do one. two
Yeah,
different
okay, I will
flavors,
do
two-
that,
two
okay.
meats.
All right.
I'm just going to put more meat in this one.
You're not gonna make a
So-
twin?
Should I?
You can just kind of like do that. That way you don't have the whole masa without any filling. So you can just kind of see
Okay.
that.
And then one more.
Yeah.
And then
Let's see. I think this one, oh wow.
Yeah.
This one is the wrong side.
Oh, well,
And it's done.
remote.
It's done.
Okay. So do you enjoy making this?
Yes.
Or is too much work? Unless like a special occasion.
You want to sit down? I want to pamper her. Let she walk away.
No,
What?
I'm gonna stand it. No, that's fine. Sometimes when you do by yourself and you preparing everything one day, it's like the 8 hours day.
Oh, that's too much work,
Yeah,
right?
but since she have all that
Like a filling ready?
filling ready, this one is gonna be
Much
piece of cake.
easier. Yeah.
No, and then you have 3 people, maybe
And-
4.
Yeah. So where did you buy those ingredients? So like those leaves?
That's in the burrito mercado, but they were very expensive in the burrito mercado. It's better in Walmart, I think. Right?
Yeah, Mexican store sell it and Walmart sell and sometimes Sam's Club around the area.
Sam's
They-
Club sometimes they sell it.
like a seasonal. I think as soon as they get close to Christmas or Thanksgiving,
So for the meat seasoning, it's basically just salsa.
salsa, yeah.
Okay.
No, yeah, that is tomatillo.
So it's already made?
No, I made it.
Oh, you made it? What did you add?
Tomatillo. You know what the tomatillo is? It's a green tomato, kind of like with a shell.
Okay.
Onion,
Yeah.
garlic, and cilantro, and serrano pepper,
So what kind of seasoning? Just salt and pepper?
salt. Yeah.
Do you have lemon kind of thing? No?
The tomatillo has a
Tomatillo
flavor.
have a little kind of
Like a
sour,
citrus
little
flavor?
yeah.
Ay,
Uh-oh. She's spilling.
Yeah, it's on your sweater too. Oh, so it's very smooth.
Yeah.
So you pureed?
Try it with a chip.
Okay. Oh, with my egg, can I? With my breakfast?
No,
No?
I want to throw this back away.
Okay.
I don't know why they say it.
Yeah. Okay, so
Sometimes I say it
that's
because I put it on top of my eggs. I put the chips, like crunch chips.
it's very good. Let's come back to the seasoning. How about Victoria? What did you put in this pork then? Seasoning or
Chile, guajillo, and but I finished the guajillo.
what is guajillo?
It's a dry pepper.
Okay.
It's a like chiles pasilla.
It's very close to that one.
It's so dark color.
Yeah, the other one is a little
dry.
bit more
Dry?
gray.
You didn't dry those, right?
No.
You
I
purchased
bought
those.
them. It's called chile pasilla.
Oh. So how many did you put in this bowl?
You boil it in water. You want it like 6,
Uh-huh.
and a piece of onion, 2 garlics, and salt. You put tomato when you.
No, I don't. Sometimes tomato help to make the salsa a little thickener, so and a little bit different flavor too. But
So do you puree everything?
blend everything.
In my
But how
Vitamix,
much water do you add it in?
I use the same water that I boiled the thing in.
Yeah, but how much water?
Just enough for the blender to go.
Oh, okay.
I
So
mean,
not much, right? Depends
No.
how thick
Yeah,
the sauce
exactly.
you want. Okay.
I didn't measure, so I would be lying if I said 1 cup. I don't know.
You know, this is about home cooking because you guys are, if we cook our own food very well, we don't need recipe or measurement. It's kind of like you taste it and then you feel it to see if it's the right texture. But it's not good for the beginner. Just like feel it and then touch it.
I know, that's what my grandma used to be. You put a little bit of this and a little
I
bit
know,
of that. A
I
little
know.
bit of this.
I would like to touch a little bit to see the texture. So
I mean,
let's
it's
see here.
getting a little bit dry because.
Is it?
Yeah.
So should you cover when you are making those? No need to?
No need
Because
to.
we're talking
Okay.
too much.
But also, the corn absorb the water.
Yeah.
In a couple, like
Yeah,
in minutes.
it makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
eventually, if you want more like smooth masa, you can just add in more water.
Yes. All right, look at this big pot. Wow, so pretty and look, red is so pretty.
Oh, yeah, I never do that.
Just pass.
I wait for like a little.
So you said only one person can handle this?
I would suggest one person, but I don't know.
Okay. Why is
I'm
bouncing?
not gonna be. I don't know. It's possessed.
Why is like a shaky? Okay.
Maybe it's. I don't know.
Is it new?
No.
Just-
No,
No. Okay, dancing time. Dancing time. Yeah, I know.
But you know,
This is called electric stove.
I had one before and didn't do this bounce thing.
Well, there are two different burners actually. This
It's so funny. Okay. Let's
see,
see.
it has a different induction heating.
Usually, how long does it take to cook?
45 minutes.
But 45. So this kind of water, would it dry out?
Yes.
Then how are you going to add water? If
You gotta keep the eye on it, and if you feel like it's dry enough, you can just pour it.
you just pour directly, right? Kind of around it, right? Okay. So when you have a lot of people helping, it doesn't take too long, but just the pre-cook part maybe takes
Yeah, that's what
time.
I told you. Saying I promise I'll have everything ready. So
Once you have the
Yeah, the wrapping part is not challenging.
yeah. Now you have to go. You know how to cook them, right?
Yeah, I do.
And you can freeze them like that.
Like after cook or before
No,
cook?
before cook.
Okay.
before or after.
Okay, either way is fine. Just like dumpling.
Yeah.
Are these all done?
Hold on.
Okay, good. Go ahead. Wow, very yummy.
En mi casa. ¿Me pasan por mí?